Hello and welcome back to the Magic Mechanic Radio Show right here on WDBO. My name is Josh McCarthy, the one sitting in the chair in the control room answering your questions to really just kind of see what your question is, to pass you on to the guy who is here specifically to answer your questions. Larry Perry, the Magic Mechanic himself, 844-580-9326. Cars, trucks, vans, all the above. You got a question? Larry has your answers. 844-580-WDBO. Larry, you said you wanted to talk about extended warranties earlier in the show.
Yeah, there's things that I always, think of as basically kind of a common sense type of situation that, it's common sense for me, but a lot of people don't realize this. Number one, let's say you go to buy a brand new vehicle. That's one of the things they're going to approach you with before you sign on the dotted line. They're going to ask you if you want to go ahead and get an extended warranty for the new car that you're buying.
Right.
And I tell you, there's a lot of folks goes ahead and buys the extended warranty when they buy a new car. Now, this is the key to it. A lot of folks don't realize, well, your extended warranty isn't going to cover anything non-maintenance repair until your factory warranty expires. Do you understand what I'm saying?
It's kind of making some sense, but
Okay, why would you buy another warranty if that is in full effect, that's going to run and coincide with the factory warranty? Right. Let's say when you buy a car and they say, well, if you buy the extended warranty, that means you're not going to have any out-of-pocket repairs. I'm not talking about maintenance. I mean, non-warranty. You're not going to have to pay for any repairs to 100,000 mile, and this warranty is only $4,500. Well, now you think about that, and we're just going to include it into your payments, so that way you don't have to write a big check for it. Now, folks, let's say that let's say your factory warranty doesn't expire until 70 or 75,000 mile, and that's about a common average in a lot of cases. So you're going to pay that much money for them to warranty the vehicle for what, 25,000 mile? Wow. Do you understand what I'm saying here? And see, when people are financing a car, they're like, well, I've got to worry about my payment. I can't have a big repair or anything like that on top of it. But you got to look at it like that. Folks, the thing is, if you're going to buy an extended warranty, you want it to go into effect after your factory warranty expires. You see what I'm saying? You don't want to buy one when the car is new. You want to be looking for an extended warranty as your factory warranty is coming to an end. Buying it when you buy a new car is the worst time to actually purchase one. So kind of keep that in mind. There's a few other things, too, that we're going to try to mention about extended warranties during the second hour. But Bill and Coco, Dwight and Kissimmee, Winter and Fillmore and Mike in Orlando, Tom in Orlando. Folks, that number is also easy to remember, 844-580-WDBO. We got 4 open lines. Go ahead and hop on board during the top of the hour news break, and we'll get back with all of you here coming up on the second hour.
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic Radio Show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on WDBO.com. Also, tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.